guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix big walk game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, won't start, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. After that, under general, in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application selected. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, this time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. Click on firewall and network protection. After that, click on allow an app through firewall. Now here you have to click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. Click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder. From here you have to select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, from here you have to select the game, and after selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and after that again click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ file is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So whatever option you get, you have to click on it and wait for some time. Click on yes, and after that wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for check for updates option. So this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. If there is an update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check whether the game is launching or working or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option in the website. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for graphic settings. So search for graphic settings. Once it is open, from here you have to add your game to the list first. For that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game, click on the arrow again, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Big Walk game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Big Walk game crashing, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, won't start, unable to open, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.